Hey guys, today let's learn how to earn money making Facebook Reels. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn your own money using and making Facebook Reels, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So basically what we can do in order for us to earn money on the Facebook Reels is, of course, we need to choose our content strategy. So whether that may be creating your own content by choosing a specific niche to post upon and post about, or you could also repurpose content that has been already posted on Facebook Reels as your own content just by doing a short commentary of what you guys prefer or what specific topic that you guys would like to discuss about. And what we could also do once we have established already our preferred content strategy is we could actually join the Facebook Reels Play Bonus program. And what this is actually gonna entail or give us is an option for our viewers to pay us through stars, or well, that is basically the form of money that we could actually have from our users or from our viewers for us to earn money. So we could actually go ahead and search for a Facebook Reels Play bonus program, and of course we could go ahead and apply for that as well through here. And basically what we need to make sure of first as well is, of course, the eligibility requirements, and one of those is, of course, a minimum of 1,000 views over a 30-day period. So you do need to be eligible for this, so you got to go ahead and grind posting some reels until you get 1,000 views over a 30-day period, and you will be eligible to join the monetization program or the Facebook Reels Play Bonus program. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.